All right. Scotty has his badass scanner.
Oh.
Everybody come look.
Ooh, that's like
It's huge.
Well, that's a real one.
Yeah. A lot.
Because I got a, I keep getting all these noises on
The
my
fob
engine
is
that
in
I need
there.
to do the brake fluid, but I don't think I have a scanner that can reset that. Do you?
This
That
guy
one?
right here.
Oh.
This is modern for the group. This is our modern man.
Oh.
See, look it. We got you.
Because I don't want to pay BMW.
You seriously just walked in to hang out one day, and now you play with the whole group. Yay!
And I'm loving every minute of it.
Too bad we can't say the rest. Just kidding.
Anybody still have my loaded gun somewhere?
Oh. Processing.
Yep.
It's wireless.
Oh yeah,
This
yeah.
is
I've got complete Bluetooth and everything.
Yeah.
Can somebody check the last 5 digits on the VIN on the car?
5 of the VIN. Last 5 is 03088.
Beautiful.
All right.
Mine is going to plug the little thing in. Mine's on the fence.
I think he's the guy that's on Craigslist. So see, there's the second floor. So some of this would be really great for Karen.
Scanning.
Because they don't need that much office.
Scanning.
A lot of this space.
Enhance.
Well, yeah, we can rip it all out.
Enhance. Enhance. What movie is that from?
There we go. 53,860 actual miles. 53,857 miles.
So wait, you have 860 and
857.
857.
So they
it's 3
actually
miles off.
right. So they're well. What they do is no matter what the vehicle is, that's not connected or it's turned off temporarily, so they can do all their tests.
My truck is dead.
Yeah, we did the truck was how many miles? Like 20, 25? Yeah.
And that was a 2004.
Yeah.
It's only 7. It's only
Grant, you get credit. Blade Runner, yes. But Super Troopers also.
Yeah, he is. How much
Like the Alpha song?
I'm lost now. Huh?
Oh, girl.
Oh yeah, there's tons.
Driver side front signal acquisition and acquisition module.
Yep. We'll find out.
If you pull 2 up.
Well, she's got damage up front,
Yeah.
Andre. She's got damage up front on the bumper. Well, it doesn't take much to.
Because you were diagnosed.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, this is much more fancy than
Oh, this will read every single computer-controlled system in the entire car.
That's amazing. I have something similar for the E46, but it has to have a Windows 95 computer.
Oh yeah, no, this will.
And,
Yeah.
but it does it, and it goes through all those, and you can reset all the.
Yeah. This will do. Ooh, instrument cluster.
Do you have to buy software for the individual car? If you went
Nope.
to the-
When you update it, it updates every car made.
Oh,
So I have access to European cars, U.S. cars, anything from 94 and a half to today.
Yeah, it holds it all in there, or
Yep.
you gotta?
Nope.
Wow, there's got,
It's in there.
yeah, this is nice.
Huge memory in there.
Last I knew, it was a 2 terabyte or 3 terabyte hard drive on it,
Holy moly.
and air conditioning. Okay, so we've got.
Wow, we got faults.
Air quality sensor has a malfunction. The power supply for the Lynn bus subscribes is a malfunction as well. And it's got an open circuit. It's stored. The other one's current and stored.
Wow.
Instrument cluster, power supply, that we can erase in 2 seconds flat. That's not an issue. Front signal acquisition, that's from the damage. The rain sensor has a malfunction as well. And the overhead control panel has an issue.
Oh my God. There's way too much stuff going on here.
Hey, if somebody wants to let her know that I'd like to let her see this herself.
Deb,
Deborah,
please come over.
Trucking.
On camera?
You interested?
I'm good. It's fine.
Yeah, look at this, like new.
We have supplies to fix the intake.
Oh, intake
We have
repair.
supplies to fix the intake.
It's fine. All right, you guys do that. I'm gonna go put tools away. Grant, fire it up.
And you got so no one's gonna be like, hey, that's
Hey, it didn't blow up.
Yeah.
Success. It's fine. All good. Ready to roll.